Well, still in Florida, my hotel room, super bored. So today I want to talk about the most forgot about amazing Corvette ever made, the C4 ZR1. Let's get into it. It had an LT5 engine. So this thing had Chevy and Lotus engineering, right? And then it had Mercury Marine come in and actually build it for them. Dual overhead cam in a Corvette. Redline, 7,200 RPM. Over 400 horsepower in the early 90s. That's Lamborghini Ferrari territory. 6-speed manual, that was super aggressive. 0 to 60 in 4.7 seconds. Top speed, 186 miles per hour. But yet, it seems like everyone's forgotten about it. This thing, even today, is a monster. Quicker than my current C5 Z06. And you can pick one up for like 25K still on the internet. It's nuts. And I'm not asking rhetorically why it's forgotten. I really don't know. If you look at it on paper, it's freaking amazing. It looks cool, it's still affordable, it's relatively reliable. So I'm curious, why isn't there more demand in the used market for them? Now I know that the market is flooded with Corvettes of all types and they keep making them and people are always lured towards the new one, I get that. But I feel like the ZR1 hasn't found its niche market yet of people that want a classic Corvette. And to me that's crazy, I don't get it. I would definitely buy one. And the more I've been looking at it and researching them the last couple of days, they're a pretty cool car. Technology-wise, this thing for its age was amazing. It had mag ride, touring, sport, performance, digital dash, which was common in the early 80s as well, which didn't come back again until 2007, so there's something to say about that. Another unique feature that was kind of a band-aid for its day was kind of like a valet mode. There was an extra key in the dash. I'll put a picture. Normal mode, it would detune your engine, your motor, to about 300 horsepower. Put your key in, turn it to the right, and then you have your full 405 horsepower. It's kind of like a novelty. It's kind of interesting that Chevy did that, but it's kind of neat. It's kind of a neat little quirk. It had a key fob in 1990, an actual, no bullshit, chirp key fob. That's crazy. Now back to the price. Price of these things right now are so incredibly cheap. The package alone, so when you bought the base Corvette, the ZR1 was a package. It was around $30,000. Now you can get one in pretty good condition for about $28,000. So you're essentially getting one for just the price of the adult package. Now, unbelievable to me. Unbelievable. Oh, and unlike my current Z06, they had a target top that came off on the ZR1. It's awesome. And additionally, aesthetically, if you don't know a lot about Corvettes, looking at a ZR1, you'll be like, that's a Corvette. It is a Corvette. But you won't notice the little differences, and the differences are from the rear fenders back. It's actually about 1.5 inches wider on both sides, which is kind of neat. There are rims specific to the ZR1, the 5-spoke, which I really like, and I'll put a picture somewhere. So I guess what I'm getting at, if you're in the market for a C4 Corvette, I highly recommend looking at the ZR1. I'm going to say it, but I do think it's going to be a collector's item sooner than later, and these things could shoot up in value really quick. I'm not opposed to owning a C4 ZR1 in the near future. It's a pretty cool car. Like I said, I'm bored. I'm held up in this hotel room for one more night. I thought I'd make a quick little video. And don't forget, next weekend, my giveaway for my hat. Additionally, I will be announcing the 500 sub giveaway. I'm up to about 230 subscribers, so thank you guys. You guys are awesome. And stay tuned for more content. Hopefully next time you guys see me, I will be in my Corvette doing some fun stuff. I got some stuff coming in the mail I'll be putting on. So, cool. Alright guys, catch you guys later.